these are the reasons why your hashtags are not working for you. In this video, I'll be telling you the do's and don'ts of hashtags. Specifically, the things you shouldn't do, the hashtags you shouldn't even think or consider using on your videos. All right, when you're doing your SEO optimization, please remember that these hashtags, they are important, but if you are doing it the wrong way, you won't be getting visibility. Please tell me, why will a financial expert be using hashtags like Bella Ninja, BBN Ninja? I don't understand. Please, if you want to use hashtags and you want that hashtags to actually work for you, make sure you are using the right hashtags for your video. Yeah, we have different types of hashtags. I have divided hashtags into two specific types: the niche related hashtags and the general hashtags. Okay, these general hashtags, everybody, whatever niche you are in, you can use these hashtags. Hashtags like hashtag viral, hashtag for you, hashtag recommended. But when you want to, put hashtag for that niche, for that particular video you are talking about, please make sure you align that hashtags to actually fit in that niche, fit in for that particular video or content you're talking about. A vlog and lifestyle content creator, you want to use a hashtag, you leave in hashtags like hashtag Port Harcourt blogger, hashtag a day in my life, hashtag Abuja blogger, and you are now going to use hashtag folktales, hashtag African folktales, hashtag, what is the other one I saw the other day, hashtag Mr. Beast. Are you serious? Are you really kidding me? You're using hashtag Mr. Beast. Anyways, I think you just want your videos to get lost along the line. It will get recommended anyway. So please, when you're using hashtags, make sure you're using the most appropriate hashtags for that particular video content you are talking about. So this is what you're going to do instead. Number one, make sure you are not using more than 3 hashtags on your description box. That is number one. Make sure you're not using more than 3 hashtags on your description box. If you use more than 3 hashtags on your description box, all those other hashtags are not going to do anything for you. Okay. The second one, I've said it earlier, use relevant hashtags that are related to that particular video you are shooting. Okay. Make sure it is aligned with the video itself. The third one, normally there are places where you add the hashtags. Okay. Make sure that these hashtags are put in this place. When you are doing your SEO optimization, you will see where you are asked to, add tags. Make sure the tags you are going to be adding to this to your video are not more than 60, and you use this particular icon to add it. Don't go spamming your description box with hashtags that are just irrelevant and that will not do anything for you. Okay, I used to make that same mistake, but I noticed that since I started doing it this way, there has been a lot of changes on my video. The fourth one, when adding tags, make sure the hashtags you are not using enter. As for myself that do tutorial how to and tips and tricks, let me say I want to use hashtag for this particular video, so I'm going to use something like hashtags, appropriate hashtags. You get it? And I'm going to use what? Comma. Please do not click on enter. Do not click on enter. Either you use hashtags so thing and you click, or you click what? Comma. When you click comma, automatically it's going to enter and take you to the next tab where you're going to put in another hashtags. All right. So that is the fourth one. The fifth one is make sure your hashtags aren't more than 60. Okay. Please, whatever you are doing, make sure your hashtags are not more than 60. That 60 is even way too much. Myself, I will usually use 15 hashtags, because if you go to vidIQ has made it possible for you to put 15 most appropriate hashtags. So I use 15. I don't use more. I don't use less. There are times I used to use more than 15 hashtags, up to 20 hashtags, 25 hashtags. But to be on a safer side, to help YouTube and the algorithm know the best people to push out your content to, reduce your hashtag to a specific number. is going to push it out very fast to that viewers that are searching for that hashtag. All right, you know, there's some people that don't know how to search on YouTube. They just come and say hashtag get rich quick, and people that use that hashtag for the finance niche, their videos will pop up. But when you did not use something like that in your tags, your video will not be popping up on the search. That is what I want us to deduce from this. Hashtags are very, very important, but when you are using it wrongly, then there is no need of using it at all, because any hashtags you use and they are not doing anything for you, what is now the essence? Please, as I said, make sure your hashtags are not more than 3 on your description box, okay? Then for your title, make sure your hashtag is not more than 1 for your title. All right, it's not more than 1, and make sure that one hashtag is the most appropriate for that video title. All right, so in total, make sure your hashtags are not more than 60. If your hashtags are more than 60, you know what YouTube is going to do? YouTube is going to shadow ban your account. Yeah, and you will not know that it's because of you are using too many hashtags. All right, so limit your hashtags to a very minimal number. Make use of the most appropriate hashtags for your video and see your views skyrocket from 0 to 100. All right, if you have not given this video a thumbs up to now, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button, turn on the post notification so you get notified when we post premium content for you to go viral. All right, so I've talked about how to make the most appropriate thumbnail for your video, a thumbnail that what clicks. Please be on the watch for that content. I'll be posting it anytime from now or maybe tomorrow. So please make sure you turn on the post notification so you can see the things you are not doing right on your thumbnails that is making people to actually swipe, not click on that thumbnail. I'm going to teach you how to create thumbnails that what clicks. All right, so that will be it for now, and see you on our next one, where I'll be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral. I love you.